Exploring the Wonders, A Child's Journey in the Garden of Dreams. In the Garden of Dreams, where stars softly gleam, a tiny soul wanders, eyes full of beam. They explore with joy, hands and feet so small, discovering the wonders that captivate us all. Through fields of green and blooms that catch the eye, they laugh and play under the vast sky. Their laughter, a melody, their joy, a sign, in this magical garden where dreams intertwine. Birds soar high above, butterflies dance with grace, a sight so enchanting in this serene place. The innocence and wonder in their eyes, a charming stance, as they marvel at the beauty of nature's dance. Wrapped in the warmth of love's gentle embrace, they navigate life with elegance and grace. Guided by those who cherish each moment, each day, in the garden of dreams, they find their way. In their laughter and in their cries, we see life's beauty, so pure and wise. A reminder of the joy and wonder all around, in simple moments, where happiness is found. As they grow, these memories will stay, of days spent in the garden, where they used to play. A testament to the magic of childhood, so bright, in the garden of dreams, under the starry night. Let us cherish these moments, both big and small, for in the garden of dreams, love is the greatest gift of all. A journey of wonder, of discovery and delight, where every dream is possible, under the soft starlight.